Hi guys, it's Carrie at Rockin G Farm, and as you can see right back there, it looks like there's going to be some rain. And I made a big purchase. Well, not like a huge purchase like some people do, but a big purchase. And I bought a lot of caladium bulbs and hosta bulbs. It took me a minute to remember. Oh, my husband's calling. Let me put you on pause. So, I've got a big box of caladiums and hostas. And I know it's not the right time of year to plant them, but I'm going to plant them anyway because we have still probably about close to 3 months of grow time here in Arkansas. Come on, Bear, let's go outside. And I am going to my mom's house, and I'm going to put some in her flower bed and help her flower bed become beautiful. Bear, outside. Come on. So that's where we're going. So I'm going to take you along with me, and we're going to go. And I just got my pants hung on my screen door. Give me a second to get them unhung. There. I got hung on my screen door. We'll make sure it's shut. There we go. Okay, so here I go. Hauling bulbs. We're going to my mom's. Hey guys, I finally made it to my mom's, and I forgot to start filming, so let me show you what I've got so far. So we're going to put the hostas in between these two trees. As you can see, they get mostly shade in the morning, and then they'll get a little bit of sunlight in the afternoon, but mainly just right through here. So we've got a whole bunch of, I've got 2 hostas to plant. One's going to be about 36 inches tall at its full maturity, and I think that's called a drinking hosta. Let me see. Yes, abaquois, drinking hosta, and its height is 24 to 36 inches high. So this is going to take up most of this area here beside this fern. She brings her fern in every winter and puts it in her garage and overwinters that. So that's going to be good there. And then we have a little hydrangea right here, but I don't know. It's not like real. It doesn't break real easy, but I don't know if it's going to make it or not. I bought that for her, not this Mother's Day, but last Mother's Day. She has some sedum. I believe that's what it is. Sedum right here, in here. And then she has some little ferny things that her friend has given her. She likes to change her flower beds up, so she pulls up all her flower beds like at least once a season. So at one point, this was all full of stuff. But anyway, over here we are going to plant it's an abaquois moonbeam hosta, and this one gets 24 to 36 inches too. So these 2 anchoring hostas on the end, and then in the middle we're going to put caladiums. Abaquois moonbeam hosta, zone 3 through 9, part to full shade, 24 inches to 36 inches tall, blooms purple flowers midsummer. So we've got the moonlight caladium, zone 9 through 11, partial to full shade, 18 to 24 inches tall, blooms white flowers summer to fall. We've got 3 of those, and we have a summer breeze caladium. We have 3 of those. Summer breeze caladium, zone 9 through 11, partial to full shade, 18 to 24 inches tall, deer resistant, and naturalizes. And then we have the candidum caladium, zone 9 through 11, partial to full shade, deer resistant, naturalizes, and is 12 to 18 inches tall. So the moonlight caladium, I think, is the one that is like solid white leaves, and I think moonlight caladium, zone 9 through 11, partial shade to full shade, 18 to 24 inches tall, blooms white flowers in the summer to fall. I think that the Candidum caladium is the one that is white in the center and green on the outside. So we're going to put those all right here in the center area for this, and then we're just going to start adding stuff to this area and make it a nice area, because it's really nice being underneath these trees in the afternoon, but right now there's nothing here. So we're going to start focusing on this bed right here. Let me step out a little bit more so you can see a little bit of the area better. Right there. It's got some good shade and a good breeze. And it is a lot more shadier in the evening with all the other trees around it. So it's a perfect place for hostas and caladiums. So let me get started. Rose Glow Caladium, full sun to full shade, zone 9 through 11, 12 to 18 inches tall, and deer resistant and naturalized.
I know.
Okay, so the hostas that I'm planting now only have to be planted 2 to 3 inches deep. So I'm going ahead and making all the holes where I'm going to put everything that I'm going to come in and water everything. And the caladiums only have to be 2 inches, so I'm going to start doing those. And we have 3, 6, 9. We have 12. I forget we have 4 packs. Okay, so I'm just going to start planting the hostas or the caladium.
Now start.
Now I'm going to give the area a good watering so that they're not going down into solid dry dirt. Got a good water. I don't know if that's dead or not.
I don't either. I figured it out. It was green till it got so hot.
Yeah, you got to really water them up. This ground is super dry. And that's what we're going to have to make sure that we do, is water it thoroughly. The holes are actually soaking. Water that up because he's beautiful.
Just go ahead and water it. Well, no, you'll get your things wet. We'll water it.
And these are my daddy's. When he went into the hospital the first time and had his knee surgery, some of the children from church had dropped these off at the house, and the pot that they were in had all of their handprints and paint on the outside of the pot. So that was really nice for them to do that for my daddy. They're beautiful. Okay, I'm done with the water. Okay, so this is the Abaquois Moonbeam Hosta, and I believe it has the outsides of the leaves are like a pale yellow with a dark center. And you can kind of see it's already trying to sprout right there. So I'm going to let that kind of be underneath the ground, just a little bit underneath the ground. That's it. I've got the hostas planted and the caladiums planted, and we watered everything thoroughly. So cross our fingers, and I hope probably in about 2 weeks, hopefully we'll see some growth. We'll make sure that we keep this area good and moist for these bulbs that we just planted. Thanks guys, and make what you have beautiful.